A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, February the 20th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much to me for me. It's too much for me to solve them all. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. I need also the same time for uploading it to YouTube. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Yeah. Alright. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku number 8041. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow. This one has 28. 27. Correction. 27 printed digits. That's a lot. Usually the 3 stars has 25. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But it has 25. This one has 27. So I think it's a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about? There's a lot of sevens. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left is 7. Should be there. 7, okay. 7 and 7. Well, I cannot continue with the 7. What's happening? Alright. How about How about 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in this third row. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle columm. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there, 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Okay, I can now continue with the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. A 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright, and now how about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. Then we have an 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for 8 should be there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column, the only place left for 8 should be there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright. Then, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this second row for the 1, the 2, 3. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this first column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 4 and 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Alright. Okay, and now, let me see. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1, oh wait. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And 1 box left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this middle row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes and there. Finished in 10 minutes. Cannot believe this. Told you. Cannot be a 3 stars publisher. Cannot be a 2 stars publisher. Cannot be a 1 star publisher. Well, also not a 1 star, yeah. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. 0 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.